Hey, Triple Fivers, Andrew here. Happy 4th of July. Blessed Independence Day to all my fellow Americans. Hope you're having a great day. I can't think of a better way to celebrate Independence Day than with some amazing American-made knives. And I've got two amazing ones here. This is the ZT-0203, and this is the Kershaw Launch 21. As you know, ZT and Kershaw have been making terrific American-made knives for a number of years, and both the Launch 21 and the 0203 are examples of ZT Kershaw leveraging their terrific machining and design skills into making knives that are actually kind of old school, kind of old-fashioned. That's one of the things I thought was fun about bringing you both of these knives here today. So the Launch 21 is basically a little bit more tactical, you might say nut and fancy-esque type of automatic knife. The button in it is recessed, and then it has a layer of G10 that's textured along with some beautiful diamond machining all on the frame. And it does, of course, have a Cerakoted blade in a very robust M4 tool steel, which is a very hard-wearing super steel. Definitely a premium made in the USA automatic folder. Also worth celebrating a little bit of automatic knives on Independence Day, if you ask me. The 0203 is really fun because this is another kind of old school ZT that is new school in its refinement. So of course you're looking at a knife that is a large knife. This knife has a 4-inch blade, so that's a nice thing to see, a proper 4-inch blade. And it is 3D machine G10, relatively narrow grip for the size of the knife, which is really pleasant in the hand, no real hot spots, and is very practical and useful. Nice little ramp with some jimping here up to the knife. And then the blade itself was really this wide, almost leaf-shaped blade with a little bit of shaping here. And it's another impressive CPM M4 blade that is just a really refined. This is a knife that if you've been carrying around a Benchmade Adamas for years and you wanted, like, what's the next generation Benchmade Adamas, it is the ZT-0203. You know, 3D G10, this awesome Duralock. The Duralock has an incredible machined lock interface here. It's a crossbar style lock, so you know what we old heads think is the you know, Benchmade Axis lock. But what's really neat is that the bolt here is 3D machined to match the button here to release the lock. And it is a beautiful thing. And also one thing that's kind of fun about this knife I want to mention is that it's running on phosphor bronze washers. So not only is that going to be easier for maintenance, but it's also just going to have that amazing experience of breaking in phosphor bronze that only comes through reps and use of the knife. And so that's the kind of thing that I really enjoy about an old school knife like this. This is really an old school ZT. For those of you guys that think ZT's gotten too techy or too futuristic in their designs, this is definitely old school in its style and its materials choices, and even in its build. But ultimately, I think it's very refined in terms of its design. Love the modern blade shape, love the modern grip. Both of these knives, of course, come with deep carry pocket clips and are able to be easily assembled and reassembled. They're able to be completely taken down. And so, yeah, M4 steel, super cool, hard working steel. Love both of them. Love the use of G10 as well. G10 is a material that I think really breaks in beautifully. So, yeah, so whether you're talking a ZT or Kershaw, here on Independence Day, it's time to celebrate a couple beautiful knives, a couple kind of unusual knives for me because I typically lean towards the gentleman's carry type of knives. And so the proper hard-working knife like you get in both of these knives are ones that it's a little different for me, but definitely the kind of thing that I enjoy, and I'm glad to bring to the channel today here at 555 Gear. I'd like to really thank ZT Kershaw for sending me these. Make sure to check out ZT and Kershaw's websites because there are sales on both of these knives right now. I absolutely recommend both of them. And guys, if you're interested in seeing any other knives on the channel, please let me know in the comments below and I will see if I can get them on here. But in the meantime, a very happy Independence Day to you, and thanks for tuning in.